Banish weak legs and numb hands. 7 collagen superfoods seniors over 60 must know if your legs feel weaker than they used to. If your hands tingle or go numb when you're holding the phone, stirring a pot, or even trying to sleep, you are not alone. Millions of seniors over 60 experience these frustrating symptoms every single day, and too often they are told it's just part of getting older. But the truth is, in many cases, it's not inevitable, and it may have far more to do with what's on your plate than you've ever been told. The latest research is uncovering that collagen, yes, the very protein your body naturally produces, plays a critical role not just in skin health, but in keeping your muscles strong, your joints flexible, your blood vessels healthy, and your nerves firing properly. Yet after the age of 60, your natural collagen production can drop by more than 50%, leaving you vulnerable to weakness, tingling, and even loss of mobility. And here's the surprising part. You can replenish a lot of that lost collagen not with powders, pricey supplements, or beauty drinks, but with simple, everyday snacks that deliver this vital protein in a natural, highly absorbable form. Today, we're going to uncover 7 collagen-rich superfoods that can help strengthen your legs, steady your hands, and bring back the energy you thought was gone for good. And I'll also share exactly how to enjoy them so they work with your body, not against it. Some of these will surprise you, and one of them might already be in your kitchen right now, waiting to make a difference. Number 7, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to collagen. But here's the secret. While it doesn't contain collagen directly, it is one of the best foods for supporting your body's own collagen production. Why? Because it's loaded with high-quality protein, calcium, and vitamin B12, all of which are essential for keeping your muscles strong, your bones dense, and your nerves healthy. The amino acids in Greek yogurt, especially proline and glycine, are the very building blocks your body uses to make collagen. For seniors over 60, this is critical, because as we age, not only does collagen production slow, but the efficiency of converting dietary protein into usable collagen drops. That's why having a protein source that is both easy to digest and nutrient-dense can be a game-changer for weak legs and tingling hands. In fact, a 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition in Gerontology and Geriatrics found that older adults who consumed high-protein dairy daily had better muscle function and less reported joint discomfort compared to those who avoided it. The best part? Greek yogurt is incredibly versatile. You can have it plain, with a drizzle of honey, topped with berries, or even as a base for savory dips. The key is to choose unsweetened, plain Greek yogurt with live probiotics, not the sugary flavored versions that can spike blood sugar and contribute to inflammation, which can further damage connective tissue and nerves. Number 6, pumpkin seeds. These seeds are one of the most underrated snacks for seniors, yet they're a powerhouse when it comes to supporting collagen formation and overall muscle and nerve health. While they don't contain collagen themselves, they are rich in zinc, a mineral your body absolutely must have to produce collagen effectively. Without enough zinc, the enzymes that assemble collagen fibers can't function properly, leaving your joints stiffer, your muscles weaker, and your nerve endings more vulnerable to damage. Pumpkin seeds are also packed with magnesium, which helps relax tight muscles, improves blood flow to the limbs, and reduces that uncomfortable pins and needles sensation many older adults experience. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that seniors with higher magnesium intake had better grip strength, more stable walking patterns, and less age-related muscle loss. Plus, pumpkin seeds deliver plant-based protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants, like vitamin E, which help protect existing collagen from breaking down too quickly. They're easy to add to your diet. You can snack on them raw, roast them lightly with a pinch of sea salt, or sprinkle them over salads, oatmeal, or Greek yogurt. The key is to avoid heavily salted or flavored varieties that are roasted in unhealthy oils, as these can cause inflammation and work against your collagen goals. Number 5. Sardines. They are one of the rare snackable foods that actually contain collagen in a form your body can use almost immediately. Because sardines are typically eaten with their skin and soft bones intact, you're getting type I collagen from the skin, the same type that makes up most of your connective tissues, ligaments, and tendons, along with calcium and phosphorus from the bones, which help keep your skeletal structure strong. For seniors over 60 dealing with weak legs or tingling hands, this combination is especially valuable. Collagen supports the structural integrity of muscles and joints, while the minerals ensure proper nerve signaling and muscle contraction. Sardines are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in blood vessels and nerves, improving circulation to the extremities. In fact, a study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that older adults with higher omega-3 levels experience slower declines in walking speed and lower rates of frailty. Sardines are convenient too. They come canned, require no cooking, and can be eaten straight from the tin or added to whole grain crackers for a quick nutrient-packed snack. Just be sure to choose sardines packed in water or olive oil, not refined seed oils, and watch the sodium content if you have high blood pressure. Number 4. Bone broth. This slow-simmered liquid is one of the most direct, concentrated sources of natural collagen you can consume, and it delivers it in a form your body can absorb and put to use almost immediately. Made by cooking animal bones, connective tissue, and cartilage for many hours, it releases collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals directly into the broth. For seniors over 60, this can be a game changer for weak legs and tingling hands, because the gelatin not only supports joint cushioning and muscle elasticity, but also lines the gut, improving nutrient absorption, meaning every vitamin and mineral you eat afterward is more effectively used by the body. This is important because as we age, digestive efficiency often declines, and that means less raw material to make collagen, even if you're eating plenty of protein. It's also rich in glycine, proline, and glutamine, amino acids critical for repairing connective tissues and maintaining strong muscles. Glycine, in particular, has been shown in research published in Nutrients to reduce inflammation in nerves and improve sleep quality, which further supports recovery and mobility. One often overlooked benefit is the mineral content, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which not only strengthen bones, but also help regulate the electrical impulses that control muscle contraction, reducing cramps and tremors. The warmth of the broth can also improve circulation to your hands and feet, temporarily easing numbness or tingling. It's easy to make at home by simmering leftover chicken or beef bones with vegetables and herbs for 8 to 24 hours. Or you can buy high-quality, low-sodium versions in stores. The key is to avoid broth powders or bouillon cubes, which often contain almost no real collagen and are loaded with salt and artificial flavors, instead of the nutrients your body needs. Number 3. Eggs. This everyday staple is far more powerful for collagen support than most people realize, especially for seniors over 60 dealing with weak legs and tingling hands. The magic lies in the egg whites, which are one of the richest natural sources of proline, an amino acid your body absolutely needs to create collagen fibers that hold muscles, joints, skin, and blood vessels together. Without enough proline, even if you eat plenty of protein, your collagen synthesis slows dramatically. Eggs also deliver sulfur, found in the yolks, which is essential for the cross-linking process that makes collagen fibers strong and resilient. This matters because fragile collagen breaks down faster, leaving joints unstable and muscles more prone to fatigue. In addition to their collagen-building role, Eggs provide high-quality protein, vitamin D, and choline, all nutrients that help maintain nerve health, improve muscle contraction, and protect against age-related muscle loss. A 2018 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed at least one egg daily had better muscle function scores and fewer balance-related falls compared to those who avoided them. The best part is their versatility. You can boil them, scramble them, poach them, or slice them over salads for a quick snack. For maximum benefit, it's wise to eat both the white and yolk, since they work together to deliver a complete nutrient package. If cholesterol is a concern, recent research has shown that for most healthy seniors, moderate egg consumption does not significantly raise heart disease risk. But always consult your doctor if you have specific dietary restrictions. Number 2. Chicken skin. This crispy, flavorful part of the bird is often thrown away or avoided for decades due to outdated diet advice. But for seniors over 60 looking to strengthen weak legs and improve nerve function in their hands, it's actually one of the richest natural sources of type 1 and type 3 collagen you can eat. These collagen types are exactly what your body uses to maintain muscle fibers, joint cartilage, and the connective tissue that keeps everything stable and resilient. Because chicken skin is consumed with the natural fat still intact, it also provides healthy amounts of palmitoleic acid and small traces of omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation around joints and blood vessels, a critical step for improving circulation to the extremities. In addition, the slow-cooked or roasted skin contains elastin, another structural protein that works alongside collagen to keep tissues flexible rather than brittle, which can make movement smoother and reduce the tight feeling in calves or forearms. Studies in food science and nutrition have confirmed that collagen peptides derived from chicken skin are highly bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use them quickly compared to some plant-based collagen boosters. While fried, heavily salted chicken skin isn't the goal here. Gently roasted or baked skin from pasture-raised poultry can be a nutrient-dense snack or meal addition that supports connective tissue repair. You can enjoy it freshly roasted, save it from a home-cooked chicken to crisp in the oven, or simmer it in soups to release collagen into the broth. The key is moderation. You're aiming for enough to support collagen without overloading on excess calories or sodium, making it a smart addition to a balanced, senior-focused diet. Number 1. Salmon with skin. This is the ultimate collagen-rich superfood for seniors over 60, combining direct collagen intake with a powerful anti-inflammatory nutrient profile that supports both muscle strength and nerve health. The skin of wild-caught salmon is loaded with type 1 collagen, the same structural protein that makes up most of your tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue. Eating it together with the omega, a 3-rich flesh delivers a 1-2 punch. Collagen helps rebuild and maintain structural integrity in muscles and joints, while omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation in blood vessels and nerve pathways, improving blood flow to the legs and hands. This is especially critical for easing that pins and needles sensation and restoring steady grip strength. Salmon is also packed with vitamin D, which aids in calcium absorption for stronger bones, and astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that protects collagen fibers from oxidative damage, slowing down the breakdown that naturally accelerates after 60. Research in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition has shown that older adults who consumed fatty fish like salmon at least twice a week experienced better muscle function, greater walking speed, and reduced joint stiffness compared to those who didn't. For maximum benefit, choose wild-caught salmon rather than farmed, as it tends to have a better omega-3 to omega-6 ratio and fewer contaminants. Enjoy it grilled, baked, or pan-seared with the skin on and lightly crisped to lock in both flavor and collagen. Paired with a vitamin C-rich side, like roasted Brussels sprouts or fresh citrus salad, it can further enhance collagen synthesis, making this a powerful, delicious way to protect mobility, stability, and independence well into your later years. So, if you've been living with weak legs, tingling hands, or that frustrating loss of stability that makes even simple tasks harder, it's worth remembering that your body still has the ability to repair and strengthen itself. It just needs the right building blocks. Collagen isn't just a beauty buzzword. It's the literal framework that keeps your muscles, joints, skin, and nerves working in harmony. After 60, your natural supply drops fast, but by adding targeted, collagen-rich snacks like salmon with skin, chicken skin, eggs, bone broth, sardines, pumpkin seeds, and Greek yogurt, you can give your body what it needs to keep moving with confidence. And it's not about perfection or expensive supplements. It's about making consistent, nourishing choices that support your health every single day. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll feel the difference in your steps, your grip, and even in the way you sleep at night. Which of these 7 will you try first? Share your thoughts below, and if you've already experienced the benefits of collagen-rich foods, your story might inspire someone else to reclaim their strength. 2.